Children, please gather in the hall.
What's the matter, sir?
We're gonna be checking your balance. If you have under £1,000, you get kicked out.
Why is that? That's not fair.
You're just scared because your balance is under £1,000.
You don't know how much I have in my bank account, so you better keep your mouth shut.
Hey, you two, stop. Get to the hall now. Let's make a challenge. If I have more money than you, you have to be my slave for a whole month.
Okay, I'll accept your challenge. If I win, you'll do whatever I say for the whole month.
Oh, trust me, you're not gonna win this challenge. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready, sir.
Oh, I can't wait to see you lose.
We'll see.
Okay, give me your phone so I can check your balance.